This is how to prepare soap at home. See, this is something like sugar. It looks like sugar. Yes. You stir. After stirring, this is how it looks like. And it's really hot. We are going to add this soap base. This is how it looks like. It's like a heavy paste. See, it's almost whitish, but colorless. Now we are going to stir properly until it's thick. After 10 minutes of stirring, this is the result. Now we are going to add this sodium based liquid. So then you stir for 5 minutes. Stir. You will obtain a common solution. You have now stirred until you obtain this slurry solution. Some dangerous gases. Right there. You add water, then you stir until it becomes like a porridge. Cheese. On stirring till this slurry solution becomes smooth, you know it's ready for mixing with the color and the perfume. Go to the last step. Now the goodness of this soap can be used in washing toilets, washing utensils. It's a multi-purpose soap solution, and also affordable. See, it's now like porridge. What I'm going to do is add the perfume and the color, so that the final product will be ready. Now this is the perfume, something like pineapple, and this is the color. We're going to add in that solution and obtain a final soap. We're going to add in this approximately 15 liters of water, because the soap was for preparing 20 liters of liquid soap. Now color addition. You can't put the whole color because it can cut the soap. It can reduce the volume of the soap. You put just a little like that. Then put the perfume. Very good. So this is ready. Now you can now mix this color and the perfume, which you are going to pour here. Yes, we are going to mix this color and perfume to this. Watch. You mix it in small amounts. for you to get the better result. Oh yes, see the color is changing. Now you add some more liquid for you to get good result. Now you keep mixing it continuously until you get a final result. I think it's coming. Yes, you can see. Now you can see the color is coming. Now we can add some more color because I can see the color is low. Add some more. I think that's enough. Now you stir. You add some little water. Yes. You stir again. Keep on stirring till the solution is uniform. Now you add some more liquid. Then you stir again. One thing you should not mix these chemicals inside the house because they produce some dangerous gas. So just prepare it in an open air space. It will be okay. As you can see, the soap is okay. This can be used for cleaning dishes, cleaning the toilet, cleaning tubs, and all those shenanigans, you know. So it's a good soap. Add some more. You stir. The process never ends until you finish the water in the bucket. You add now all of it because you're almost done with the job. Then you stir. Yes. You see? This is really thick. And we'll give it some 6 hours to settle. But it can be ready to be used for after 1 hour. But 6 hours you get the best results. All the solids will have dissolved. So this is it. It's economic, saves money, and performs better than most of the chemicals sold at the So this is what we have. Now we'll leave it for some time to rest, and the soap will be okay to be used. So this bucket is 20 liters, and the soap chemicals for preparing 20 liters. You see that color is positive. Now we leave it, stir until up to the bottom. I'm going to leave it to ripe. It will be okay to be used. It is the most affordable soap. Expensive is not cheap, it's cheap, and cheap is expensive. It is what it is. Now after preparation, as you can see, it's now getting ready. The bubbles means it's okay, and after some few hours the bubbles will be gone and the soap will be ready. Now I'm going to cover this. After a few hours I'll show you the result. Adios. It's exactly 25 minutes. You can see the foam has come. Now the soap is below the foam. Oh, this one will be heavy. See, that's the liquid soap. Very good. Need any type of education to form this, to make this. Adios. So follow, like, share the content. Adios. Thank you.